Oh, hi. Well, while you're here, I might as well share my milk rice recipe with you, which is of course, rubbish. But I'm going to make starch, and I'm going to use milk rice. So it's round grain rice, and yeah, make starch and the dessert. So have fun. I'll show you. Okay, so if you need starch, you can buy this in the store, of course. But if you buy spray starch in the store, it comes in a container and you need to get rid of it later when you're done. And if you do it yourself and you have a reusable container like this one, you do not need to do that. And that is amazing. And also gives you free dessert if you do it the way I do. So what you need is round grain rice, which is milk rice. I don't know if that's a thing in America or Britain or wherever you're watching. But it is here, and I love it, my son loves it, and so that's what we use. What you do is you take a pot, and you need milk rice, 4 spoons, just, regular spoons, 4 of them, approximately. This is all guesswork. This is not a science, and it's fairly easy. And you need water, approximately double the amount of what's in here. And then you cook it, you bring it to a boil for a moment, and then you let it simmer for 20 minutes. When you're done, you can just, sift it through a funnel and straight in here. And when you've done that, whatever's in here, leave it. Do not discard it. Just, keep it, let it dry a little bit. And then you have your starch. Your starch is finished. If it's a little bit more empty, then you just refill it with water until it's done. And then you have your starch. This will spoil because it's, natural. There's nothing in it. There's no alcohol in it. There's no preservatives. It's gonna spoil. Keep it in the fridge, and then it's good for 3 to 5, maybe 7 days. Just make it when you use it, and this lasts for about 3 yards of fabric. So start your stuff, and when you're done, get rid of whatever's in here, or it's empty anyway, or keep it in the fridge. And remember, just a week, it's going to smell. Ask me how I know this. Okay, and if you're done, you use your rice, put it back in the pot, and fill it up with about half a cup of, I don't know, until it's, feels good, of cream, or use vegan cream if you're vegan, and then everything is vegan. And then you cook it again for just a moment until it's boiling. You stir it a little bit, and then let it cool, and then you have lovely milk rice and dessert. It's always good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, tell everyone. And there's going to be new videos coming. Some of them German, some of them English. We'll see. If you have any questions, comment below. I read them, all of them. It's not that many, but I have followers now, which is amazing. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for trusting me, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Delicious.